So a screencast is exactly what you are watching and listening to right now. The video that you're watching is a screencast. The definition of a screencast is a video recording of your computer screen along with an audio recording of your voice. So as you can see as you're watching now, it's recording everything that my mouse is doing. Everything I'm clicking on, every move I make on my computer screen, it's recording, as well as my voice to go along with it. So right now I'm in Active Inspire, and as I'm recording, I can use the tools, and it records what I do with them, along with my voice as I'm speaking. But even if I click out of Active Inspire and into a browser or PowerPoint, or whatever you use to teach, it will record everything going on your screen. So that's basically what a screencast is. It's just a video that shows activity on your computer screen along with the audio recording of your voice to go along with it.